Hello everybody, welcome back to the property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the street property location, reviews and nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 4. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. In this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video on the new property. Be safe, be happy.